Alright y'all, welcome back to another video. I did want to just show you guys a grocery haul from me. I haven't done it in a while. I am 11 months post-op as of January the 5th. And I just wanted to show you guys some of the stuff that I buy and also show you guys how I meal prep for the week. So this is going to be a combination of what I'm going to be making for dinner and for lunch. So I got 2 bags of the Caesar salad, like salad mix. I've got strawberries, blackberries, a 3-pack of organic bell peppers. I got this green tomato because I am going to make some air fried green tomatoes sometime this week. I got some carrots, a head of broccoli, fresh asparagus, some mini sweet bell peppers, a pack of baby Dutch yellow potatoes, mini cucumbers, sliced mozzarella cheese, Monterey Jack, and Colby Jack cheese. I got some cherubs, which are like salad tomatoes, 3 avocados for like avocado toast in the morning or just avocado for my salad, 3 ears of sweet yellow corn. I'm sorry, that's literally 4. 4 ears of sweet yellow corn and a pack of celery sticks. The celery, broccoli, carrots, and peppers and cucumbers were all, and probably tomatoes too, will all go in my lunch because I eat vegetables every day as like a snack throughout the day. That's just something that I enjoy. Tonight I'm making a whole chicken, some sweet corn, and some Instapot potatoes. Let's see here. Moving over to the meat and dairy side. I already put it up, but I did get 2 half gallons of lactose-free milk. I have a thing of cage-free eggs, of course, the whole chicken that I was talking about. I do have I always buy the big pack of sausage because I'll cook like a piece of sausage and an egg for breakfast each morning. And then I have some sockeye salmon. I'm just going to remove the skin and use that with my lunch. I'll probably make a couple salmon salads along with some salmon and asparagus. And then I have, of course, chicken breast that I'm either going to Instapot or air fry up for lunches this week and also dinner. And then I have a pack of just hamburger patties that I can either put on the grill or break up to use in like spaghetti or chili. I think I am going to make a chili, so I'll use some of those. You know, I can do whatever with these. They don't just have to be for hamburgers. And I always have to get a big thing of sour cream because I make my dip for my vegetables out of the sour cream. And last but not least, I have some chicken stock that's going to be for my whole chicken today. That's about all that. Oh, I forgot. These right here. These are a new find for me. I know they're not new. They're not something that's just been, boomed onto the market. But these are the flavor packets that taste like soda. I don't drink soda. I haven't drank soda in like forever. But this right here, to me, is just like drinking a flat soda. And I know that's probably gross to most people, but for me, it's pretty damn good. I have the Canada Dry Cranberry Ginger Ale one. I have a watermelon crush one. Let's see. My favorite so far has been the peach sun-kissed. So good. And then my next favorite is going to be the cherry 7-Up one. Let's see. What else do I have? I'm not fond of just like the regular flavored 7-Up. Ugh, those aren't good. They taste kind of salty. And then there is a strawberry sun-kissed. Do I have any more? No, I think that's about it. Oh, and I have a regular, like a original ginger ale as well. I think I drank all of those. But anyways, they're really good. So one of you guys, I can't remember your name. If it was you, leave it in the comment section down below. You told me to get the root beer ones and to add in a scoop of vanilla protein powder. I am going to make that. I want to see how that tastes. It's basically like a root beer float. And then I got these pineapple sun-kissed ones. So I'm really excited to try both of those. But yeah, I am going to get into my meal prep now. I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you haven't and you would like to, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. Become a member of my family. I would love to have you here. I won't be talking to you guys directly anymore after this part, but I will see you in the next video. Thanks for checking in. Bye. So today this is going to be an eat with me. I am 10 and a half months post-op, so I wanted to do an eat with me video because I haven't done one in a while. So yeah, that's as simple as it is. This will probably be the last time you see me on camera, like talking to you. You guys know how that goes. So if you enjoyed the video, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I would love to have you here as a part of my family. I don't know what the hell this is that I'm doing, but anyways, see y'all in a little while. This is my breakfast. I've already taken a bite because I'm hungry. It's just an English muffin with sausage and egg and some low-fat cheese, I guess. So yeah, this is breakfast. I make them at home. It's too expensive to buy them, and I know exactly what's going into them. I don't make the English muffin, of course, but I do like to make everything else. I make them for my partner as well because he eats breakfast every day, or he takes his lunch every day, and it's just cheaper and more realistic to make them yourself. So I'm gonna go ahead and get breakfast down. Now, I typically can't eat all of this. I can eat about half of it. It kind of makes my stomach hurt. Weird, I know, but it's so good. They be like, who is that? No, I wasn't recording when you came over here.